road. Stupid ass little man. Look, ayy, I know him, and him, but like, who is you? Ask my niggas where they from, they chunkin' to the roof. Never seen you round here, you are not the truth. Whole side full of pussies, you are really coach. 50 band play, they couldn't teach me in the school. Ask me what the price is, bitches to the roof. 50 in the Bronco, I think I'm a juice. If it's up to the neck, then it's to the roof. He got a 30, he gon' really shoot. All that's just for decoration, he don't really true. They gon' flip shit if that rental coming through. Up from starving in them trenches, I'm the living proof. Weird niggas got all that drip on, ain't got no juice. I'm married down, but can't knock a bitch, just a fucking goof. How you got a bad bitch, but she still missing that side too? Can't afford my feature if you asking, it's to the roof on Cetus. I been gassing up since Cali died, they gotta see us. Squabbles at funeral homes and I ain't never freeze up. It's tricky, karaoke's in the church, I can't believe us. Forgive me, but I'm tripping before I let niggas delete us. All them face tats and you still a bitch. Did you fuck my bitch? Duh, dummy, no shit. It's to the roof, your last shit was a whole brick. The niggas poppin' most ain't never got no motion. I know him, and him, but like, who is you? Ask my niggas where they from, they chunkin' to the roof. Never seen you round here, you are not the truth. Whole side full of pussies, you are really coach. 50 band play, they couldn't teach me in the school. Ask me what the price is, bitches to the roof. 50 in the Bronco, I think I'm a juice. If it's up to the neck, then it's to the roof. Ask me for a bag, bitch, you really stupid. Product of the trap, shit was really booming. Since the homie died, I've been really to it. And I like that, they just do it for the music. Brother, those are not buffs, those are not enough. I can see the bitch and niggas swear they gold dust. Why you on the PCR, they had you roll up. Talking to them people wearing wires, use a dumb fuck. Stupid niggas like to talk up in that holding cell, telling details. You gon' take a charge and hold that L. Niggas try to brag about my old work, think they got a trophy, tell that bitch to find her home first. Bitch shit, talking play caller, I'm the fucking worst. Ask me what I got on, bitch, you can't afford what it's worth. Practice all that gangsta shit, nigga, you's a fucking nerd. It's to the roof, and I'm charging up for every word. I know him, and him, but like, who is you? Ask my niggas where they from, they chunkin' to the roof. Never seen you round here, you are not the truth. Whole side full of pussies, you are really coach. 50 band play, they couldn't teach me in the school. Ask me what the price is, bitches to the roof. 50 in the Bronco, I think I'm a juice. If it's up to the neck, then it's to the roof.